Welcome to Borgo Panigale. We are starting where the legend begins. Aerodynamic perfection for the ultimate sport tourer.
This is the backbone, a high-pressure die-cast aluminum monocoque frame, engineered for maximum rigidity and lightness.
Crafting the massive 22-liter fuel tank with high-tech laser welding to prevent any structural weakness.
Inside the CNC core, the V4 Gran Turismo crankcase is carved to microscopic precision for absolute reliability.
4 cylinders, 0 compromise. These pistons are built to endure thousands of miles without a single hitch. Say goodbye to frequent checks. This valve train is designed for a massive 60,000-kilometer service interval. The assembly is complete. The heart of the beast, the V4 Gran Turismo engine, is officially born. Live from the dyno room, testing 170 horsepower of pure, unadulterated Italian engineering. The marriage of metal and muscle. The monocoque frame perfectly integrates with the V4 engine structure. Adding the rear steel trellis subframe, built tough to carry you and your luggage across continents.
Installing the high-strength aluminum swing arm, designed to handle intense torque and rocky off-road trails.
Mounting the high-performance wheels to the chassis, wrapped in premium rubber, shining bright in Ducati red. Up front, the Ducati Skyhook electronic suspension forks are fitted for a real-time magical carpet ride. Linking the rear semi-active shock absorber, adjusting instantly to weight changes and rugged terrain. Superbike level stopping power, mounting the world-class Brembo Stylema calipers for maximum high-speed braking control.
Setting up the cockpit. Ergonomic handlebars with backlit switches are bolted onto this gorgeous Ducati red machine.
Laying down the central nervous system, connecting the high-speed Bosch ECU to power the beast in Ducati red.
Here comes the magic. The iconic Ducati red is sprayed using advanced electrostatic robots for a flawless finish. The beautiful Ducati red fuel tank meets the chassis, instantly giving this sport tourer its iconic, aggressive look.
Snapping on the aerodynamic lateral fairings and adjustable windshield, completing the armor in legendary Ducati red.
Installing the lightweight titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, ready to make the Ducati red roar like thunder.
Aerospace tech on 2 wheels, fitting the front and rear radars for world-class adaptive cruise control in Ducati red.
Fitting the aggressive face. Sharp LED headlights with daytime running lights lock onto our stunning Ducati red. The command center is live. This crisp 6.5-inch TFT display brings the smarts to the Ducati red. Maximum comfort for endless journeys. Dropping in the premium heated seats on the Ducati red body. Flashing the brain, upgrading the cornering ABS and traction control software on this freshly built Ducati red masterpiece.
From a single sheet of metal to conquering the open world, the Ducati Multistrada V4 in Ducati red is officially unstoppable.